The rotary pressure washer is the most effective way to clean very large areas quickly and efficiently. This type of rotary cleaner is ideal for cleaning public areas, town squares, patios and paths. The unit uses very little water compared with a conventional power washer, and its spray is controlled with brushes around the edge of the washer, stopping water and dirt being sprayed onto other surfaces or passers-by. This method is very effective in town centres and around buildings, as we have equipped it with a 135 metre hose, and we can carry 400 gallons of water to supply the washer. For further information on all our cleaning and jetting methods, contact Tom at Meath Jetting Services Limited on 01 8354 739 or 087 8253 440, or email Tom at meathjettingservices@gmail.com.